Run fast from a day job, running fast from the way it was. Jump quick to a paycheck, running back to the strip club. I'm never going.
Why am I look so? Why the light? Where's the lights? Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog with the girl Crazy Tash. Welcome back to another vlog, guys. Hi. So it's a new week. What do we have on the agenda this week? We need to do our nails because we're out here looking crusty, mighty. But yeah, it's Memorial Weekend. Today is Monday. Today is Memorial Day. Actually wanted to go on the road for lunch. Me and mommy go on the road for lunch, but it's looking kind of futile. Like that's not happening today because it was raining. So you know the vibes kind of just cut. Yeah, it's not giving what I wanted it to give. So I'm not about to go up on the road with that. So yeah, mommy in there started doing her hair and stuff. I did my hair yesterday. You fit me? The piece I left out, I'ma just curl it up. Look nice. Yeah, make it work. But yeah, so I just came home from work, so there I just I get myself started out. I don't know what to do with myself now or change the plans. Yeah, so people, bruh, anyways, me I go me there come get myself. I don't have on no clothes. I'm gonna put on some clothes. Comment pan and comment pan that say me you can't agree. Guys, we can't show your mommy. She will relax up in her bed. Right now, she just I can tell us that she died right here, so yeah. But that's there chatting out. Should go do my nails, right? Yeah, let's go do my nails. I'm tired of doing stuff. Actually kinda miss winter. Place at B. Anyways guys, me soon in the next clip. Package to unbox cause due to all me feel like me is a old content creator. Let me go get the packages. Oh, so I'm trying to get back into like trying to take care of my hair because I'm transitioning back to natural. So I'm trying this line of products here that is really good. It's called As I Am. So I got, you know, I get the products the one by one. So I got this one. So yes, I think this is the rice water. So it's a rice water forbidden with forbidden black rice water, biotin, saw palmetto, and ceramide. So I think you're supposed to put it in your hair, you know, after you wash it, and you're going to rehydrate and refresh your hair. So that's that. Supposed to have another one in this too. Yeah, so this is the oil. I wanted this to put in my hair, so I just did the cornrows. So I'm gonna put this in the parts to do it. So this is the dry and itchy scalp care olive and tea tree salicylic acid dandruff oil treatment. So yeah. And I'm trying to get an even skin tone and having glowing skin for the summer. So saw this, it's from Dove. Glow, recharge, energizes and illuminates skin. Body wash 3%, brightening serum with vitamin C. Let me smell it. Alright, it smells very fruity, very orangey. It smells like limes and lemons and oranges. Alright, so I don't have my packages. Okay, I'm sorting at this. One thing with Amazon, I just see things them in one thing. Oh, so I got these press-ons. My favorite brand of press-ons, BT Art Box. Yeah, these are cute. It's like a chrome pink type of thing. Yeah. Oh, and I got my favorite oil, my rosemary meal, because the other one that I have is ending, coming to a, it's a soon finish, so I'm topping up the rosemary and mint oil, strengthening oil, as I said, naturally here. Oh, it's a bonnet. This is a bonnet. You know them bonnet that you put on and they're tight. Yeah. And yeah, I got this eyebrow pen as well. Eyebrow pen as well. I'm gonna try this out because as you can see, a girl ain't got no eyebrows. So I'm gonna try that. And then in this, the other day I was talking to my friend and she was telling me like she getting some stuff on Amazon or stuff, and I was telling her like she keep Amazon open, but look at me, I keep Amazon open. Oh, because our girl is in her content creator mode, so I got this that I can, you know, like if I'm doing any like makeup or hair, anything like something, so I can put it in the bathroom or, you know, whatever, so I can stick my phone on. Yeah, it's like a little mount. Yeah, so it actually fits. The place is dark. Guys, you still go? Guys, it's raining outside. I look like you done thunder. See if I can see outside. Like outside, wait. I go to do. Sorry, I'm not go. I'm not go there. Sorry, I'm not going. Can't see the rain fall hard at people. Actually, the rain off. It does. Shut down the window here. The curtain. Yeah, call it a day done. That's happening. So inside, come go sleep. Cause I go to bed late. Come go sleep. If I do anything, as much as I do my nails. So when I come back, when I do my nails, me come back sooner or later. Yeah, good. But there, I try to make some oats. This is the first time I'm making it without any supervision. Let us see how that goes. So the water in the pot up boil right now. We have the oats prepared and stuff. Mommy gave me some guidance, so let's see how that goes. So yeah, so as I said, have the water here. I have my oats over here, so prepared. So God, come with me. If it come out good, me show if it not heat. Or no, where do I go? So yeah, I'm trying to make some oats because I want to go exercise. So oats is like a good like breakfast to get your stomach ready for exercising. So I want to go do that. And yeah, so you know, summer is coming. We're trying to get ourselves ready for summer and stuff. I got a body wash for glowing skin, so trying to get the skin ready. I'm trying to get the body ready. So yeah, time to take care of myself, like kind of fun. And henceforth, why the braids? Can't manage the heat. But anyways, my battery is dying, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. This is how it's looking. I don't think I like it this thick, but I'm gonna have to work. So the other day, was watching one of my favorite bloggers. Saw her got a waist trainer. It's a waist trainer that she's been using, but she got a replacement. So I decided that I'm gonna try that one. Yeah. So I got it in size small because when me clip me, I'm gonna small. Small can't fit me. And based on me looking at it, this can fit me. It looks really good though. Looks really good. I like the material. Imagine if it was black. Like the belly is bellying. And look at the rolls in the back. Like I saw you look for stomach. No stop. And every time I start exercising, I stop, you know. Tired of myself. Tired of myself. I'ma put it on TikTok for like try get like some type of accountability to make sure some exercise still no work. Still no work. But at the same time, it's all about discipline. You have to have the discipline first. So until I find that aspect, people will take it off it. Due to all the waist strain and now fit the doll. See, I tell them no good, they are going to small. Guys, hold on. Guys, look at my neck. Talk it through. Look at my exercise already now. Start. I'm gonna be very vulnerable with you guys right now. This is a vulnerable moment. Look here. Remember the waist strain I'm telling about? Look here. I don't know why I'm going to that's that small. Look here. Look here, people. Get this piece button. Get the top. Struggle. Can't get the middle. Can I get the middle? I forgot wait till like mommy come. Yeah, but stress out. Can't believe I made this. Like slim me. Damn too much, man. Damn too much. Need the ear. Yeah. Anyways, guys, today's leg. I'm gonna do quads today. So I'm starting off with my legs today. Yeah, so let me go get into it because I'm so convinced myself for no bother. But let's get into it, guys. Let's get into it.
Ready? Coachy load from in Netherlands. Where the grabbers think like Ali get up on.
We made it through the workout. But a girl is hungry, so I'm trying to make some sardine and crackers. But it don't look like no crackers there. Oh, crackers. Sardines. I cut up some onion and pepper. And then some pepper sauce because I like when my thingy is spicy. Yeah, can't do with the bland sardine. So I want to have that. That's for lunch. Yeah. And then I have to cook dinner later. I'll see you guys later. And as I say, it's my off day. I'm gonna go watch some Bridgerton. I'm gonna eat my lunch. I'm gonna sit down and watch some Bridgerton. And I have cleaning to do. Today is bathroom cleaning. Tomorrow we'll do the kitchen. So today is bathroom cleaning. So watch some Bridgerton. You know, start dinner. Cause what, 2 o'clock? Mama, a chocolate already? Alright, we'll watch Bridgerton for like watch one episode of Bridgerton, get dinner started, and then we'll go to do the bathroom cleaning. Yeah, I'll see you guys. You coulda get me for sec. Me give you a hit on. Anyways, I know that we'll come here for. It's a new day. It's the day before, night before my day off. People, I'm gonna come to in about like a week, you know. The heat kill me. Remember when I come to me here the neat? What is this? Anyways, so it's the day before my day off, but my day I clean up. The place is a mess. Yeah, the breeze. Hold on. The breeze is giving. But how you guys doing? But I'm gonna attempt to do a little bit of chicken chop suey for dinner. You have lunch? You have your food? You don't need to cook? Yeah? You have your food? Oh, so I'm not about to cook, guys. I'm not about to cook because when we have food in the fridge and me have food, I'm not about to cook. Yes. Anyways, when I get back to clean up, I just now come in for check in with you guys. If anything else, which no now gonna happen more exciting, but if anything else happen, I feel like I'm gonna take up the camera. We'll come soon. So based on my face reaction, obviously kids said nothing. Yeah, so guess what? I'll close off the vlog here. So I'll close off the vlog. You guys, I'm a pimple patch girl, you know. I should put one here. Ta-da. Anyways, we'll close off the vlog. And I'm matching the outfit. Jesus. Anyways, yeah, close off the vlog because I don't know what else to vlog and I want to start another vlog for the week because I want to post this today, Saturday. I want to post this today. Yeah, I'll start our next vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your homebody girl. Yeah, you know, at home content, naturalist. At least nothing is fake over here. I don't give you guys any fake life. Naturally, what happens over here. I'm gonna try to be who I'm gonna be. Zimmy, right? So thank you guys so much for watching, and I appreciate you guys so much. So remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe as we said earlier, and remember to tell a friend mega. Yeah, we're gonna start off a new clip right now, so I'll see you guys. Thank you. Bye.